This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming Chrome is up to date and you have the necessary account access. This prevents permission errors. Once done, open the browser and go directly to Chrome, //extensions, or click menu More Tools Extensions. You need the extensions page visible so you can locate the lock extension quickly. Look for its name or icon and make sure you can see the toggle and details button. This immediate step gets you into the right context to act safely and efficiently. Now disable the extension first. Toggling it off stops activity while you inspect it. After that, click Remove and confirm when prompted to uninstall. This deletes the extension from your profile. If Remove is grayed out, open Details to check if it was installed by Enterprise Policy or has site access. Note the extension ID. You may need to remove policy entries or use an admin account. Taking these measured steps prevents accidental data loss and ensures the extension no longer runs. Finish by restarting Chrome and rechecking Chrome, //extensions to confirm the lock extension is gone. If you still see locking behavior, run a trusted anti-malware scan. Some malicious extensions reinstall themselves. If Remove was blocked by a device policy, use your admin console or delete the policy key Windows, Registry, Mac OS, Profiles with care. As a last resort, reset Chrome settings or remove and recreate your profile, but back up bookmarks and passwords first to avoid losing important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.